Good day guys, in this video we'll go through a complete tutorial on how to use the Crypto.com app. You'll be able to buy your first crypto safely and easily in no time. So guys, if you wish to create an account, we already made a tutorial and video on how to do this. You can find it on our channel. We'll post the link in the description as well, so you can find it easily. So let's begin guys. So after you create your account and verify, enable the two-factor authentication in the app security settings. This is crucial to protect your assets. So let us navigate to the settings. Alright, and in the settings, we need to find the two-factor authentication. So go to settings, then you go security and privacy, and in here we can enable two-factor authentication. So let us do that. Alright, so if you wish to use Authenticator, you just copy this code right here, then we navigate to our Authenticator app and add it. Alright, so for example, I choose the name, which is crypto.com, then you insert the key, and after that you just proceed to verify. Hopefully you guys will be able to see all of this. Alright, we enter the code and continue, and now as you can see, two-factor authentication is now enabled. Great. Okay, and now you can buy or trade crypto. For example, we can try and buy it. So to buy it, you click on the trade below and you tap on buy crypto. And in here, as you can see, we have the list of coins. Let them just load up. So Cronos, which is CRO, is the native coin of Crypto.com. If you buy it and stake it, for example, or just hold it in your account, you'll be able to receive bonuses by Crypto.com because it's their native coin. But if you wish to buy, say, for example, Bitcoin, you just press on it. After that, as you can see, we have this little window, which is buy Bitcoin. And in here, we just choose how much we want to buy. For example, we are suggested to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin, and then you choose which method to pay with. So for example, we have Google Pay, and then you press on review order. And in here, as you can see, you just confirm your purchase of $100 worth of BTC. You press on pay with Google Pay and you're pretty much done. And you can do this with any coin you wish. As you can see, we have a list. So go ahead and buy your first. In terms of the payments methods available to buy is pretty much crypto wallet, your card, or fiat balance. Also guys, Crypto.com offers Crypto Earn, where you can stake coins for interest. You can go to the Earn section right over here from the home screen. You can select a coin and choose the term. So for example, we choose, say, Atom, which is staking. And in here you choose, as you can see, the percentage. So, and after that you just confirm the deposit, and the longer the term, the higher the rewards. So as you can see, for example, on bonding period is 22 days. You choose percentage, you insert how much you want to stake, and you begin your earning process. Also guys, to check your balance or portfolio, you just head to the Home tab in here, into Home, and after that, you can also set price alerts for your favorite coins. When you're ready to withdraw, you go to Accounts, Crypto Wallet. Alright, you go to Accounts. Then, as you can see, we will have the overview. Then you go to crypto, and as you can see in here, we can just transfer it, for example, to your fiat account or to an external wallet. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you wish to trade, and you can sell crypto as well, but make sure that you hold some coins to sell first, of course. Also, we have the market, where you can see the prices for certain coins. As you can see, we have also the important data, which is the market cap, volume of 24 hours, and dominance. And if you wish to add certain coin from to favorites, you can just find one, long press it, and you can just add it to favorites or remove them. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe for more crypto guides and check the description below for links if you wish to get started with Crypto.com today.